Okay guys, we managed to secure a 2019 CVO Roadglide, brand new and unregistered. This isn't part of the 2020 lineup, so we were keen to get this when it became available. Arguably the best bike of 2019. Visually, definitely the best bike of 2019. That paintwork is absolutely to die for. The best paint job we feel that's been on a Harley Davidson for some years. So with it being a CVO Roadglide, what do you get? Well, first and foremost, like I've mentioned earlier, you get that superb paintwork, you get the extended saddlebags, you get the 117 cubic inch Milwaukee 8 motor with the heavy breather air intake, all chromed out. You get the 21 inch custom wheel, 18 inch rear, the chrome forks, the front trim there over the regulator, really nice looking seat, all chromed out, switch gear, grips. You get the new GTS boom infotainment system, so you've got sat nav, music, you get a Bluetooth headset, and what a great looking bike. We've just got the one left now. We managed to secure two, but one's already gone, and this is priced at $33,595 on the road. If it's of interest, call the sales team on 01159 033 777.